In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable HVCI for Valorant. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, HVCI stands for Hypervisor Protected Code Integrity, commonly known as memory integrity. It's a mandatory security requirement for Riot Vanguard, and if it's disabled, you're likely going to see a restriction error whenever you try and play Valorant. So the easiest method to do it is within your Windows settings. So what you're going to do for both Windows 10 and 11 is firstly click the start menu, and then you want to go to search and then type in core isolation. Once you type in core, you're probably just going to see core isolation anyway. So go ahead and click on that. Then it's going to look like this. And all you want to do is just go ahead and try and find memory integrity, and then just go ahead and switch it on. Now, I have a few things that are turned off right now, but if you want memory integrity turned on, all you're going to do is go ahead and type in memory integrity, and you just want to have memory integrity turned on. Once you have memory integrity turned on, you probably won't see that message. And if you're like me and it says memory integrity must be enabled to use this feature, but you don't see an option for it, this is because you have to do it through your BIOS specifically for you. So what you want to do is restart your PC and repeatedly press your BIOS key, like F2, delete, F10 or F12, but usually it's just going to be delete. Then you're going to be entered into your BIOS menu. Look for a tab named Advanced CPU Configuration or Security. And if you have an Intel CPU, then you're just going to enable Intel Virtualization Technology or VTX. And if you have an AMD CPU, enable SVM mode or Secure Virtual Machine. And then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.